So in the first session itself, we have discussed about these things. What are these things called and what are these things inside it called as? I think you remember, right? Okay. So we'll discuss more about this right now. What are these called? Centers and tabs. So as I said, every role has its own center. I mean, the type of center a role is using. So when we're discussing roles, I have shown you what are the roles of each, what is the center of each role is. When you go to roles again, you see this is the center type. Means for the accounting guys, accounting center will be used. For the classic administrator guys, classic center is used. For the executive people like CEO, CFO, CTOs, those guys, executive center will be used. So they have designed, the NetSuite has designed centers in such a way that it is pretty much easy for the employee who is working on this role to pretty much um, interact with their own interface, what they do in their daily work. Like if it is a sales guys, they'll be using sales center, which will be involving only related to the customers, because mainly the sales guys will be dealing with the customers, not with the vendors, right? So that is why it has been designed in such a way that whatever the required permissions and the required navigations that need to be having for the sales roles will be under the sales centers. So they have designed in such a way. So if you want to create a new role, a new center as well, then you can create your own center other than the standard centers as well. So go to customizations. If you see the centers, you can click off the new centers here, but you cannot customize or even see the standard centers. I mean this standard centers, classic center or accounting center or executive center. You don't find these things because those are standard. Centers with the list contains only the custom centers that you have been created in the system. It don't show the standard ones. Okay. So to create a center, you can just click on new and you can represent what are the things that you need to show up on that particular center. Just a name, that's it, nothing else. Okay. Mostly you don't require anything to create the center. You can use the existing standard center types that NetSuite is providing. In case if you want to create a new center, then you can use the way to create the new center. Okay, customizations, center new. So after creating the center, you can assign the tabs to which center it should be assigned to. So as we discussed in the first session itself, like these are the called the center tabs: activities, issues, feedback, transactions. Okay, these are called transaction center tabs, and the things related inside it are called center categories. Okay, bank is a center category, purchase is center category, payable is a center category, and the things inside the categories are called links, the center links. Enter bills, approve bills, pay bills, these are called links, center links. The same thing that we have here in this centers, center tabs, center categories, and the center links. Okay, this is how you can create a new one and use the existing one. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So to see the difference, what do you mean by a classic center, what do you mean by a sales center? So if I jump to other, let's say I'll jump to sales manager role. Okay, let me jump to sales rep role. So sales rep basically uses which thing? Sales center. So if you assign with a sales role, you'll be getting the sales thing. If you see here, the entire navigation, the entire UI of this role is different from the classic center or the administrator role. So, so this role, you see the navigation, as it is a sales manager role, you see the stuff only related to the sales and the customers, not other than that. You see leads, you see opportunities, you see customers, you see reports related to customers, and that's it. You don't find anything, any other things, and the sales and automation, marketing automation stuff, because you need things about the sales and the marketing related stuff, because you mainly deal with the customers and the marketing related to customers. Okay, so did you see the difference between the classic center?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So if someone is um, doesn't have a knowledge on because they have practiced in the classic centers or the classic UI, they don't know where to find the customers or where to find a particular report here from this UI.
Sorry, Prashant, I didn't get that part. Can you please one more time?
So what I'm trying to say is, yeah, let's say you have been working as an admin role, okay,
Okay.
and you are familiar with the classic UI, but you are not familiar with the sales UI. Okay, you exactly don't know where to find a quote here.
Mhm.
Let's say in the classic UI, how we can find under the transactions, you find the under the sales, you find the quotations. But here, I don't know where to exactly find the thing, right? So you need to go to here, opportunities. I need to go to transactions. I need to go to estimates. So if you don't know, like if it is a just normal thing, it's okay. If it is a big one, you don't know where to find what. Okay, there is an option called so in the set preferences when you open this, for any UI other than the classic, you can do this. Under the set preferences, under the appearance, you see this checkbox.
Oh, okay, okay. Use classic interface.
Okay. So if you check and you save it, all the UI will be changed into the classic stuff. See
Oh,
here.
okay. Mhm.
So now you are familiar with the way to go and find the estimates, right? So that is one of the advantages that you can switch into the classic role. I mean the classic UI. If you don't want it, you just uncheck it and save it, and it will again change it to the sales UI. Okay. And let me jump back to the classic guys admin role. So let's say if you want to create a new center tab or center category in this particular UI. Okay. So what I need to go, where I need to go, this customizations, center and tab, center tab. If you want to create a new one, you can just go ahead and create a new one. Okay. So I can give a center tab name like let's say Curates reports or something. On which center you want to keep this? On which center you want to keep this?
Mhm.
Let's say I'll just go with now classic center. So
Okay.
if you give all, it will be applicable to all the centers. So I'll just give it for classic center, okay? And save it. So if you try to see here, like the extended view, you can find your Suresh reports.
Mhm.
It's a center tab, right?
Okay.
This doesn't have any information, or this doesn't have what? It's a center tab. What does it contain? Transaction is a so transaction is what? Center category or center tab?
It's a category.
Center tab. Categories of these.
Okay. Tab. Yeah. Tab and under that
Okay.
categories.
So does Suresh reports has what is this?
That is category.
No, it is a tab.
It's a tab. Okay.
We haven't represented any. It's a tab that we have created, center tab.
Okay.
Inside it, we haven't given any content. The content is nothing. There is no categories right now. If you want to put any category inside it, just edit it and you can add the categories up here, or you can go to customizations, centers and tabs, center category, new. You can prepare your own category here. Okay. So what do you need to trying to explain you here? We can create n number of centers, tabs, centers, center tabs, center categories, and the center links. So right now I'm trying to show you the center tab. Just now I have shown you the center tab. Now I want to have what is the center tab name? Suresh reports. Okay. So I just want to show all the reports that are related to the Suresh employee. Let's say in your thing. Okay, if it is applied to only one you, then what you can do under the centers, what you need to do? Not on the centers, on the center tabs. You have created a center, right? Center tab. What is that? You have
Suresh
created a center
reports.
tab.
Suresh reports.
Suresh reports. So if you want to get these reports only to you, if you want to visible this, not all guys, only to you, then you can assign it to an employee or to a role. Okay, the employee. If the user is this, then only show it. Okay. So you need not to go have this to all the employees. It is only related to you. So you have your own reports so that you can daily check on these reports. So your daily work is to check on these reports and to update these reports. Then you can prepare. It's a shortcut type. Okay, you can prepare your own reports and set it up on this particular center tab. Okay. So right now I'm applying to all the guys. I'm not changing anything here. So now the center category, let's say reports that are related to sales. So this is my category. And in which type, center type that you want to keep? Classic center. And which tab you want to keep? This category?
Mhm.
Just now we have created, right? I want to keep it in Suresh reports.
Yeah, yeah.
So you can just save it or you can give the link. What do you want to show in this category? So I'm giving a link with it. So I want to show the report or the saved search that has been created. So what is the report? SS customer search or what? SS customer search results. So I want to show the results when I click on this link. So I want to copy this label and paste it here. Here I'm creating the category called sales and representing it under the classic center under the Suresh reports tab. And I'm giving the link, center link. So when I click on that link, it should be redirected to the search I have created,
Mhm.
saved. So for the search I have created, I don't need to go to list, search, saved search, and find where my saved search is. I don't need to go all those things. Okay. I can use this links to easily find out the report or the saved search that I have been created previously. Now you have defined where to show what. So when you go to the Suresh tab now, Suresh report, if you see, now it is coming out.
Mhm.
Sales. Sales is what? Suresh report is a center
Cate- Category, right?
tab.
Center tab. Yeah.
Sales
Category.
link is SS customer search is the link.
Tab. Category.
Center link.
Center.
Okay. Tab category link.
Okay.
So if you click for this link, it should redirect to the result. Okay.
Okay.
This is how you can create you can create this is how you can create the center tabs, categories, and the links. You can create a number of links on this particular category. Okay, not only one, you can create a lot of stuff. So in order to do that, just go to the category that you have been created. So I am going to the category. What is the category? Sales. Sales. Go to SSA. So you see a lot of sales, but you have defined it sales label is sales Suresh reports. Sales label under this tab Suresh reports. It is under classic center. So if I jump into the sales manager role, does it show there? Does this report show here? Or that does the center tab show here?
I don't think so.
Because
Restricted, right?
no, it was applied to only the center. Which center?
Uh,
This is a classic center. It was applied to the classic center. Right now, I'm on which role? It's a sales manager role. What is the
that is
center it will
different.
use?
Yeah.
It's a sales center,
Sales center.
right?
Uh-huh.
It is applied to only classic, not to the sales. So you don't find the Suresh reports.
Mhm.
Go back to this classic interface. And if you want to do that, what you need to do is, if you want to show it even to the classic guys and then the sales centers, go ahead and go to the center tabs or center categories. If you want to do that, then you need to edit the Suresh report stuff. Where is that Suresh report? Suresh reports. Edit it. Okay. You see this. Under the save arrow mark, you see a save a copy. So change this center to sales center and save it as a copy. What it happens is it will save this center tab as a copy because you are changing the sales center from the classic center. Save a copy. You see here?
Yeah.
Now, if you see, go ahead and if you see here,
Yeah.
Suresh reports. It is in classic as well as
Sales.
sales. Now jump into the sales. Now it will come up or not?
Yeah.
Okay. Because you have applied it to the sales center as well. And you get this only if you have the permission. Okay, let me show you this. So let me jump back to the classic guy and see this saved search. I'm going to this saved search again. Edit this saved search. What if I go to the roles or I go to the audience and I uncheck all these guys and it is applicable to only the role called full access role. CC full. Okay, so this saved search is only visible to these roles, only to this. Okay, not to all the roles. Now what I do, I change the role. I'm changing to which role? Sales manager. If I try to view that link, does that link will open or not?
No.
Because
we did not select the role.
It will come. Okay. Center tabs. So did you get this, Suresh?
Yeah.
Okay. This is
Right.
how you can create your own tabs, categories, links, centers as well. You can play around with it. Okay.
Mhm.
Next thing that we are discussing today is Suite Bundler. Suite Bundler is very most important thing. Okay, because the first foremost thing that you need to do as part of the implementation is um, installing up the bundles. Okay, installing up the procured bundles, the procured bundles of the clients. Okay, so let's say you got an implementation project and the client was the wholesale distribution guy. And the first and foremost thing that you need to do is installing up the bundles after starting the project. Because before enabling the features, setting up the preferences, you need to install it. Okay, that's where the Suite bundle is used. Switch bundle is used mainly to bring in the features, or if you purchase anything additionally apart from the standard package of the NetSuite, you need to install the bundles. As I said, when you are enabling the features, some features are available only with the additional purchases. Means you need to install the bundles. Let's say you're a manufacturing guy, if you want to use warranty and repairs or quality management bundles, or if you are a multimillionaire company, you have a lot of assets. So in order to track your assets, you need to have the fixed asset management modules. Okay. So if you are a project guy and if you deal with the projects mainly, then you would have procured project management for that in order to track all this stuff. So, so in order to get the functionalities in that you have purchased it from the NetSuite, you need to install the bundles first. Okay. So after installing the bundles, the features that are related to that bundle or that functionality will be coming up into the NetSuite, and there are some preferences, features that need to be enabled as part of that bundle as well. Okay.
Mhm.
So in order to search and install the bundles, you need to go ahead here like Suite Bundler, search and install bundle.
Mhm.
Okay. So here you need to have you need to procure it from the website before you install it. So basically, bundle is nothing but a package of functionality. Okay, it contains scripts, fields, workflows, roles, forms, templates, anything. It could be anything. It contains anything. What we are seeing, it could containing saved searches.
Mhm.
Okay, it could contain custom records. It could
Mhm.
contain center tabs, links, categories. Okay, so
Mhm.
these are called the components that comes up with the bundle. Let's say I want to install warranty and repair module in my system. Okay, if I try to install it, So in order to identify which is the standard one provided by NetSuite and the other guys stuff, you can see this. It's a managed one, and you can see the name of the company. NetSuite ERP platform, warranty and repair management. Okay, and you can see the created date and the year and the availability is shared and the number of installs. If the number of installs is more, then you can easily say that it's a standard bundle provided by NetSuite. Okay, so it's a shared one. It will be shared with our account ID. Then only we can install it. Otherwise, we cannot install it. So in order to share that bundle to us, we need to buy it from the NetSuite in order to use the warranty and repairs for the items that you sell to the customer. Okay. So I'll show you how it works. If I click on continue, if I click on this to install, it show me an error. What is the error?
You have not granted access to bundle.
Okay, because you don't have the access to this bundle because you haven't procured it and NetSuite guys doesn't share it with you.
But you can still see the bundle from your account?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I can still see the bundle, but I cannot install it. Okay. If it is a shared one, like if it is a shared one, you need to get it the access from the owner. Okay. So let's say if it is a normal one, let's say I'll just go with APM. So APM is a which bundle?
Public.
It's a public bundle. I can install it. So you can see the number of installs, 18,000 installs. So if you click on this, you'll get to see install button. Okay. It is a public because anyone can install it. And what is the overview of this bundle? What does it gives? What does that bundle gives? What is the use of this bundle? And what are the, as I said, what are the components that comes with this bundle? What are the components? Custom records, center category, files, Java files, JavaScript files, a lot of files, and the bundle installation guide, and the scripts. These are called scripts. Okay, you are getting all these things. You will be getting all these things when you install this bundle into your system. Okay, these are called the components. So did you get a brief idea on what is bundle, what is private and public?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is where you search and try to install the bundles that the client has been procured. Okay. Next, what is the use of this create bundle? What is the use of the create bundle?
So maybe that is used to select only the components you require from the provided public bundle. Or any customizations.
Yeah. Exactly. That's what That was the use, exactly. How do you use that for the customization? How do you use that for the customizations? So let me explain. So bundle, can you see the notepad here?
Yeah.
Yeah. If bundle is a package, okay, it contains the functionality. Let's say if you want to have the functionality of quality management, if you are a manufacturing guy, as I said, if you want to check the quality of the products that you are manufacturing, you need to have the quality management application or the quality management bundle installed in your system to get that functionality. So bundles are nothing but the group of things that comes up and brings up a new functionality to the system. Okay, which is not the standard, which is not available in the NetSuite until then. Next, standard NetSuite bundle is used to to get the functionality into the system. And what are those? The availability of the bundle is public and shared. And whereas the custom bundle is used as you said for the customizations. Okay. So custom bundle is used to move the functionality from sandbox accounts to the production accounts. Let's say you're dealing with a big company, big client, where they need to have the customizations. With the standard NetSuite, they are not good to go. You must have the customizations. So it's a better practice to do the customizations or any development in sandbox, not in the direct production. Okay. Once everything is working good enough, the customization is good enough, then what you need to do, you need to move that development that you have designed in sandbox to the production. You don't do all the stuff from the scratch again in the production, right? It will take much time to do all those things. Let's say you are in the sandbox as part of customizations, you have created 100 fields. Okay, you have customized this functionality for 3 months in the sandbox. And as part of that, you have created 100 fields, 20 scripts, 10 workflows, 10 forms, 10 templates, 10 roles. Okay. So you have created these things. Okay. In sandbox to run a functionality, to design a new functionality. Right? So the functionality is working fine enough in the sandbox and you want to move it into production. So do you do the same thing in the production? Creating again 100 fields manually, again 20 scripts, uploading 10 workflows, again writing it from scratch, 10 forms, again creating it from the standard forms, 10 templates, okay, 10 roles, 5 center categories. Do you do it from scratch or what do you do to move it to the production?
Yeah. We'll try to find a way to migrate the customizations from sandbox to production.
Yes, that is where we use bundle. Custom bundle to move the functionality from sandbox to production. So that bundle will be visible to only to your instances, not to entire the globe. If you have created a in bundle, you can the bundle cannot be seen by any other guys or any other companies. Okay, there's just an internal bundle to move the functionality from sandbox to production. Okay, and the other use of bundle is, what is the other use of bundle? The other use of bundle is to create suite apps and sell it. Okay, suite apps are nothing but the applications that you sell to the, let's say you have designed this thing. Okay, if you have designed these things. So you have developed this application called item tracker, okay, which tracks your items in your system or in your business using this application. So this application has been designed by a company and it got all these things. Okay. In order to have this as a suite app, you need to create a bundle again. So as I said, if it is a bundle only related to your company, then it's a internal bundle. If a bundle is created and can be installed to all the guys across the globe, then it is a suite app. Okay. So did you get this, Suresh?
Yeah.
There are two uses of bundles, custom bundles. One is
internal purpose, and the other one is to publish to others and or sell it.
exactly. So just now I have shown you warranty and repair. Let's say, okay. So just give me a minute. There'll be background noise.
Okay.
Okay. So here what I'm trying to say here is, so if it is a standard bundle, you can install it right away. If it is, you see, there are a lot of warranty and repair bundles. Why these are coming up here? Why these are coming up? These are the bundles that have been created by these companies, by these guys. Eureka Solutions, DMC Strategy, okay, SDG, Gill Incorporations. These guys. If you buy those guys suite apps, it's a suite app, okay. Net Repair is a suite app designed by Eureka Solutions, which will be sold to the customers who are using NetSuite to manage their repairs. Let's say a NetSuite bundle is cost you $1,000, but the net repairs cost you $800. Okay, which one you'll go? You'll go to the Eureka Solutions because it gives the same functionality because they have developed the same thing. What NetSuite is providing us with this bundle. Okay. So that is where this Suite apps or the custom bundles are used to design own functionality which is not available in NetSuite yet, and you can sell it to the clients who are using NetSuite.
Okay.
Okay, so let me try to make you understand this very clear. So if I go to Suite apps, if you try to go to Suite apps, these are
Okay.
called applications. So you see here, Sisira Repair Management means Sisira is a company, is a third-party company. It has developed the repair management for NetSuite. Okay, so if you buy this Suite app from Sisira, you will get the repair management into your system. What you can do here, Sisira Repair Series, repair management for NetSuite, helps you manage your customer maintenance services, repairs, RMAs, and service contracts. Okay, Sisira has done a customizations and developed an application called repair management. So if the companies who are dealing with the repair, they can buy this from Sisira and they can install it into their systems. How do they install? By which means they install? Through a bundle.
Suite bundle.
Okay, it comes in a form of a bundle. Okay.
Yeah.
This is what I'm trying to say. Sisira guy is using this thing to create a new application. Okay, they got the test account. They developed a NetSuite application called Repair Management, and they have created a bundle. They have created a bundle. That bundle is selling to the other guys. That is one use, as I said. The other use is moving the stuff from sandbox to production.
Yeah.
That is the two uses of bundles. Okay, so I'll show you how to create a bundle now. So if you go to customizations, search, create. If you want to see the list of bundles that has been installed, you can go to list. Okay, so see the list of bundles. Okay, if you see this, it's an update available. If you see the blue color thing. Okay, and if you want to uninstall it, you can uninstall it. If you want to update it, you can update it by going here. Okay. Next, create bundle. The bundle that you can created will be in the list. If you want to create a new bundle, click on create bundle. Okay. If you click on create bundle, this will be opened up. Bundle builder. Production. There's a bundle name, I'm just giving it. Okay. If you want to bundle all, means everything. Everything in the sense, not the customer data, vendor data, not the data stuff. Bundle is nothing but it's a setup stuff, not the data. Okay, remember this. You cannot bundle the list of customers and move to the production. Okay, you can bundle the configurations or bundle the setup that you have done, not the data. You cannot move data, 100
Okay,
GB
okay.
data, 1000 GB data, not that.
Mhm.
Okay,
Okay.
click next. So here I can describe why you are creating this data, what is the purpose of creating this data. And to which vertical it mainly reflects. Is it a wholesale distribution suite app or manufacturing suite app? Is it related to retail, real estates, or retail guys, or is it related to restaurant or hospitality suite app? So to which vertical this suite app belongs to? If it is a multiple, then you can select multiple.
Mhm.
Okay. So here comes the main part of the bundle. So here are the objects that you can select from the system that you have, and these are the bundle components that you have added to this bundle that you are creating right now. So the bundle is empty right now. So you can create, you can push these objects into the bundle. Okay, one is fields, whatever the fields it may be, CRM fields, entity fields, item fields, transaction fields, other record fields, all those stuff.
Mhm.
List records, custom segments, list records, transactions. Transactions is nothing but not the sales orders, invoices. It's custom transactions, transaction type. What we have discussed the record types, the same way the transaction types as well, which has GL impact. That's it. Whereas records doesn't have any impact. Okay, these are the custom ones that we create. If you want to move this, okay, let's say you select a record. If you select record, then all the custom records that we have in the system will be shown in the middle. So, do you remember what is the custom record that we have created? Suresh?
Yeah, it starts with S, I think. RS, no, not RS.
No.
That's the customer additional information. Yeah.
Okay. So, if I click on this, let's say I'll click on this. So, this will be added to the bundle.
Uh-huh.
You see, under custom list by records, under records, this record has been added to the bundle. If you want to add it. Okay. Likewise, these things can be added. Centers and categories. Let's say I want to have the center tab that I have created just now. What is that? Suresh reports. Okay. Center tab. Just now I created, right? That I'm going to add it to the bundle. File cabinets, nothing but the files, folders, images, anything can be added to this. If I click on files, all the files will be open in the middle. If I click on folders, all the folders will be listed in the middle. I can choose which folder I want to push it into the bundle. Forms. Remember, only custom things will be available in the bundle, not the standard ones, because standard ones are already available in any NetSuite. Okay. You don't need to again push the standard forms. Basically, you don't find the for standard forms here. But let's say if I click on entry forms, you find all the custom ones, not the standard ones. You don't see anything related to S standard. Okay, these are the forms related to entry. What we have seen here. Okay. You don't find any standard forms. You'll find all the custom forms. Okay, entry forms, transaction forms, PDF templates, HTML templates. You want to add HTML templates, address forms, integrations, plugins, online forms, reports. Reports again, not the standard reports. Custom reports. Roles, not the standard roles, only custom roles. If you click on custom roles, it will show all the custom roles that you have in the system. Okay, if I click, that will be added to the bundle. Saved search, you can bring up the saved search as well. So remember, don't bring up the saved search. It's a best practice. Okay.
Then how do we, if we want the, how do we migrate them if we
you need to
not
create
doing
it manually.
Okay.
Because why? Because is, let's say I'll try to add a saved search. What is our saved search? We have created a saved search on customers, right? C. You need to select the type here. Not these are not saved searches. These are types. Okay. If I go to customer, then all the saved searches related to customer will be shown up in the middle. You see? Okay.
Yeah.
Now I select, let's say, our saved search. Where is our saved search? SS customer search. Okay. This is a saved search. I want to keep it in the bundle. Let's say I'll show you what happens when you try to catch up the saved search. Next, sublist, subtabs, scripts, okay, workflows. You can add a lot of stuff here into this system. Okay, these are the bundle objects that you can push it up and create your own bundle. Right now you have the components. What are the components? You have one custom record, one center tab, two roles, and a saved search. Okay. If I click on next, you see here, these are the set preferences of a bundle, and you see the preview of what you are creating. Okay, if you want to lock this record not to edit by the user who is installing that bundle, you can lock it. So all the things that comes up with within the bundle is locked. If you see, let's say I'll open any transaction body fields. Okay. If you see here, this is locked because it came from a bundle. Okay, all the fields that comes up with the bundle is locked.
Okay.
With the standard bundles, not I mean to say every bundle, standard bundle. It's up to you when you're creating a bundle. It's up to you to lock or unlock it. If you unlock it, the other guy can edit it and do some changes to it. If they do some changes, the functionality may go wrong. If the user doesn't know where to change, what to change, if you delete it, if you delete the record itself, okay, it's a huge problem to you because Suite apps will work based on certain things. If you do some changes to it, whole process or whole functionality will be messed up. So why? Because the NetSuite guys will lock up everything when they are installing it because of that. They don't want to um, create create issues by the user. Okay, everything is locked up. They cannot even change it. Like if I click on this, if I click on this field, I cannot do anything. I can just view it. That's it.
Mhm.
Okay, I cannot change it, the label. I cannot change any description. I cannot do anything. It's a just view stuff because it's a locked one.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
that is the use of lock here. So if you want to lock that, so roles, if you want to lock the roles, yeah, if you want to, if the customer doesn't want to do changes to the roles, then you need to lock it. And you see the customer saved search is coming up automatically.
Mhm.
And right now, I think this custom search doesn't have anything, any connectivity fields. Let's say I'll just go back for a moment and I'll just go ahead and take one more search, saved search. Let's say I'll go with mm, mm, I'll just go with transaction, and all the transaction search will be available in the middle. Let's say I'll just go with open invoice list and mm, bills and its payments and invoice due. Let's take this. Okay, I'm adding 3 more saved searches to it.
Mhm.
So if you see now, a lot of changes has been happened. So have you added any body fields?
Transaction body fields.
Have you added the body fields to the bundle?
No.
No. Why it is coming up automatically? I haven't added any body fields or a list. I didn't add the list. Why it is coming out automatically? Because of the
Reference.
reference by, which is referring this field to come up into the bundle.
Mhm.
This is reference. Open invoice list. What is this? It's a
Transaction type.
it's a saved transaction search. That is why I'm not recommending you to add the saved searches to the bundle. Why it is coming out here? Because when you try to open this saved search, this saved search is bringing up these 2 fields automatically.
Mhm. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why it is if you edit this search, saved search, in the results, invoice is open, greater than stuff, this, that. Okay. So this is basically referred by this invoice. So operation type is already existing in the, let's say, in the system where it is installing. Okay. So then it will becomes a duplicate. It becomes a duplicate body field. So already this body field existed in their system. Again, it is coming up with this bundle, which is not necessary. So that is where we need to be cautious when you are adding saved searches to the bundles. Saved searches will bring up additional fields to the bundle, which is not necessary and which is not a good practice. Okay.
Got it.
So that is why I am not recommending you to add the things. The next thing is save. That's it. This is how you create the bundles.
Yeah.
So I'm not saving it. So the next thing, the last thing that I want to show you is after creating a bundle, go to the list and you'll see the list of bundles. I haven't shown you where to make it as available. And here you see, if you go to add something to the bundle, you can edit it and add the things up and save it. Okay. If you want to set the availability, then click on this set availability. After clicking on availability, you see the level is public. As you asked, is my bundle visible to all the guys when they search with the name? Do you want to make it visible? Click on this.
Yeah.
If you don't want to make it visible by all, then uncheck it. It will be visible to only the shared guy. Because it is public, the shared account IDs is grayed out. If it is a shared, you see it is opened up and you can click the account IDs. This is how you can provide the access to the bundle to these account guys, to these account number guys. Account number is nothing but this on the top what you see.
Okay.
Means I am sharing this bundle to these guys so that they can install my bundle. Okay.
Okay.
This is where you set the availability. And if you want to delete any thing, then you can just edit it and delete it. If you edit it, you'll see the option called delete. You can delete the bundle. Okay.
Got it.
It is just to do practice, okay, not to delete, because deleting is a huge thing. Okay. And if you want to see the who has been installed this, who has been installed my bundle, we can show you all the things who has been installed, in which it has been installed, everything. Okay. That is the show installation base. If you want to copy this bundle and if you want to make a copy of it, then you can click on the copy. You can create a copy of that bundle. Okay. So this is about the bundle stuff, creating the bundle, installing the bundle, searching and installing it. Bundle archetype gives you who has been installed, what has been installed, what has been uninstalled, by whom it was uninstalled. Okay, it gives all the stuff. Navigation portlet is installed by this guy, and it was happened on this date. Okay, uninstall has been happened. This bundle has been uninstalled from this system, and who has done that? This guy has done that on which day? This day. So this gives the bundle audit file all about the bundle stuff. Okay. So any questions, Suresh?
No, I'm good.
Okay. Okay then.